Welcome Jebel Ali. In this tutorial we will be using our Google accounts and we will be accessing Google Drive. Now Google Drive is a really useful piece of online software. That means we can connect to it using the internet, so we can connect to it anywhere in the world and we can access our documents that we store there. So it's a storage location where we can store our digital documents that we've created. They could be Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, or we can even store images inside Google Drive. So you need to have logged on to your Google account, and you know you've logged on because you will see a circle in the top right hand corner here, and it should have a letter of your name, or it may have a picture if you've added a profile picture. But I've got a red disk in the top right hand corner of mine, and I've got a special new user called Red, okay, just for this tutorial. Now to access our Google Drive we need to click on the waffle. Now the waffle is just here. If I zoom in, you can see these 9 squares. So this is the waffle. Okay, so we click on the waffle to access the Google apps. We've got lots of different Google apps with our Google account, but the app we're going to use today is Drive, and Drive is just here. This is our Google Drive, so you click on Google Drive and it will open a window that looks like this. Okay, and at the moment I've got nothing stored in my Google Drive. I'm going to show you now how to create folders to store in your Google Drive. Now folders are little storage locations where you can place your files inside and organize them. You can give your files names and store things inside your folders. So to start adding your first folder, you move your mouse to the cross just here, and that is a colored cross, and it says new next to it. Okay, so click on the word new and it will give you what's called a drop down list, and you can choose different things from here. You've got folder, file upload, folder upload, Google Doc, Google Sheets, Google Slides, but we're going to add a folder. Okay, so to add a new folder you just click where it says folder. Okay, and it's going to open a screen that looks like this, and it's asking you to give your new folder a name. Where it's highlighted in blue, you can start typing. You can either press delete or click and then press delete, and you can delete the untitled folder name and give it your own name. The first name I'm going to give my folder is YEAR. So for year, and I can put a space, and I'm going to call this folder Year 3. Once you've named your folder, you can click on the blue button that says Create, and that will create you your first folder. Now this folder is stored your My Drive. So this is your My Drive, and inside My Drive you have the Year 3 folder. Now next I'm going to show you how to create a folder inside your folder Year 3. So to go inside a folder, you double click on its name. So I'm going to double click, tap twice on Year 3, 1, 2, and in I go. I know I'm inside Year 3 folder because I can see the Year 3 folder is written just here. So the name at the end of this line of text, so you've got My Drive, and then an arrow, and then Year 3. That tells me the current folder I'm in is Year 3. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom back out there. And inside my Year 3 folder, I'm going to create another folder. So I'm going to click on New, and then Folder. Now, if I don't want that folder, I can just click on X. If I do want that folder, I'll just click back on New. If I don't want this drop-down list, I can just click away. So let's try that again. So I click New and Folder. This time I'm going to create a folder called Computing. So I press Delete and I'm going to type in COMPUTING. And then I'm going to click on the blue button again, Create, and you'll see that my Computing folder has been created inside my Year 3 folder, and my Year 3 folder is inside my Drive. Okay, so now I'm going to add another folder inside my Year 3 folder. Okay, so I'm going to click New once more and Folder. This time I'm going to create a folder called Music, M-U-S-I-C, and then, like I did before, I click on Create. And you'll see now my Music folder is next to my Computing folder. And these two folders are inside my Year 3 folder. So let's try this now. So if I click here on my Drive, that will take me to my Drive folder. And inside my Drive folder is the Year 3 folder. If I double click on the Year 3 folder, I will see my Music and my Computing folder inside my Year 3 folder, and my Year 3 folder is inside my Drive folder. I hope that's not too confusing, but you're just putting folders inside folders. Next, I'm going to show you how you can edit your folder name. So to edit your folder name, you just click once on the folder you want to edit. So maybe I want to change the name of my folder. So I click once and then right click. Can you see it's highlighted in blue? I'll just show you once more. I'll do my music one this time. Click once, then right click, and then I'm going to go to rename. And maybe I don't want a music folder. I'm going to delete that and change the name to Arabic. Once I've done that, I can click on OK, and you'll see that my music folder has changed to the name Arabic. The final thing I'm going to show you is how to change the color of your folders. If you want to make them color coded so they're easy to see, it's very simple. And the way you do that is you just click on the folder that you want to change the color, so it's highlighted in blue, and then point your mouse over the blue area, and then right click, and then you can go to change color, and then you can choose whatever color you want. Okay, what you can do now is inside your Year 3 folder, or whichever year you are in, you can add folders for the different subjects that you follow in Jebel Ali School. And I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Remember, you can stop and pause and go back and practice these Google Drive skills as much as you want. I'll say take care and see you soon.